I'd like to talk to you about driveways. According to the internet, there's 82 million single-family homes in the U.S. and 47 million townhomes. Now, as driveways, assuming a third of those homes have three-car garages, that would be 30-foot wide driveway by 35-foot deep, and then two-thirds would be two-car at 20-foot wide by 35-foot deep by the time you get from the garage to the curb of the pavement. That equals 2,400 square miles of land in driveway. Now, there's 47 million townhomes, and of course, those driveways are not going to be as long as single-family because most of them are on private drives, but some of them could be long. So we'll use 20-foot wide by 22-foot deep. Well, that's another 741 square miles. So you've got roughly 3,100 square miles in the U.S. that's driveways. Now that's conservative. So what does that translate to? Almost 3 times the size of Rhode Island. So this video is about what can we do about it. And what's unique about this is it could be retrofittable to every single home in the United States to plummet the area of driveway over time because driveways deteriorate and they need to be repaved. So let's take a look at the driveway from a perspective of you're a driveway contractor. You get a new single-family home to put a driveway in, and what are you going to do? You're going to go the full width of that garage, edge to edge, and you're going to go straight to the street, if not even wider. The savvy builders just go the width of the garage door. So let's take a look at a 20-foot wide garage and a 16-foot wide garage door. If you simply went the width of the garage door to the street, you would have 4 foot less width, and yet completely usable. But let's take this a little bit further. Driveways should be tapered as they leave the garage, and then once you've got your car parked behind the garage door, if there's room to taper them to the street. That will save an additional multiple square foot of pavement. Just those two alone would make a major impact as driveways are retrofitted or when the builders building a new home know this and tell the pavement contractor just to go the full width of the garage and then pay attention to tapering to the street. I live in St. Louis Park, Minnesota, an urban city just outside of Minneapolis. And the homes are anywhere from 60 to 100 years old. It was very common to have just 2 lanes of pavement with landscape in the middle going to the garage that's far back in that backyard. And many of those driveways get repaved, keeping that grass strip in the middle. So how's that translate to a modern driveway? Well, here's one in Florida that's actually a piece of art that elevates the value of the home while decreasing the pavement and, as such, the cost and environmental impact. By utilizing this vintage method to build driveways, you still keep the function. The pavement contractor is going to charge per square foot. It's less cost, yet increases the value of the home by significantly increasing the curb appeal. In northern states where there's a lot of snow, yes, it is an issue, but the snowplow driver can back plow as they've done in my own driveway for decades. So it's time to think about the efficiency of driveways. And if they're simply retrofitted using these methods, it would make a major economic and environmental impact in the growth of this country. Just something to think about.